this joke I got from a Kenyan guy. I heard it from a Kenyan guy on one of our Club Kiboko shows. And this was decades ago, so I don't think I'll ever find him. But it helps me use my sound effects. Let's say it was me. I was in the unknown parts of Kenya, driving, and while I was driving, I saw a roadrunner. Beep beep. And that made me drive into a pothole, and I ended up getting a flat. So I'm in the middle of nowhere, just driving the squeaky wheel. I'm enjoying myself more than you are. So anyway, I come up to a Maasai. I was like, hey, can you help me? I want to know where I can get to the closest fuel station. He didn't understand English, so whatever. Okay. Next, I come across a Kalenjin. Hey man, can you help me? No English? Okay. The third guy, I was kind of losing it, so I was like, okay, third time lucky, let's see. Looked at him, he was wearing all the proper traditional garb and everything, so I was like, definitely not. And then he's like, what would you like to know? I was like, yes, someone speaks English. So I was like, can you help me? I just need to get to somewhere where I can fix my car. He was like, and I know where you can go for that. Just go, take straight. In Kenya, they call it ni hapo tu. Keep going. Take a left, and on your next turning, you'll see a mud hut. Ask for Mutua, and he shall help you. Thank you for coming. I was like, oh wow, that's very helpful of you. Thank you very much. By the way, I want to mention, out of everyone I've met so far, you speak English. You speak good English too. It's like, thank you. I learned from radio.